This is about chemical properties of carbon compounds. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. So first is the combustion. It is here combustion. Sorry, it's combustion. So combustion means burning. Okay. So carbon and all of its allotropes burns in oxygen. What do you mean by allotropes? Allotropes means okay, um, the elements that appear that that have different physical properties but same chemical properties. Like carbon has allotrope, graphite, charcoal, bone, coal, uh, this diamond, all this. So these are the allotropes of carbon. So almost all carbon burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide. Okay, along with heat and light. So it is an exothermic reaction. The burning of carbon is an exothermic reaction, and burning of this hydrocarbon is also an exothermic reaction. So it also gives heat and light. So whenever carbon burns in oxygen, so that gives two kinds of product. If oxygen is insufficient, if oxygen is insufficient, then it will give carbon monoxide. If oxygen is sufficient, then it will give carbon dioxide. Is correct? Yes. So carbon reacts with oxygen in two different ways. Okay, in case of insufficient oxygen, I am just showing you. So it gives the product carbon monoxide, which is very poisonous gas, very poisonous gas it is. And if someone inhales carbon monoxide, it is fatal. Okay, so carbon this is carbon plus oxygen is insufficient, so that you will get carbon monoxide. This is carbon monoxide. This is carbon monoxide. It's highly poisonous gas. It is highly poisonous gas. It is highly poisonous gas. It is. So in case of insufficient of oxygen, this carbon gives carbon monoxide. Just you can see the reaction. Okay, you can balance it like this. You can balance like this is 2. So this is 2. Put 2 here now. Because oxygen is not balanced, so put 2 here now. So this is 2. And put 2 here now. So this is carbon monoxide, and it is highly poisonous gas. So okay. Now in case of sufficient oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide and heat and light. In case of this carbon plus oxygen, so that gives carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. Yes. So here oxygen is sufficient. So it gives carbon dioxide, heat and light. This is the reaction. Okay, and this burning of of anything is an oxidation reaction. Oxidation means oxygen is added to the substance. Now, burning of hydrocarbon. Any hydrocarbon when burns in oxygen, so that gives carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. This is important. any hydrocarbon, whether it is alkane, alkyne, okay, then alkane, alkene, alkyne, it doesn't matter. So whatever the carbon, hydrocarbon is, okay, it burns in oxygen, giving carbon dioxide, water, and heat and light. It's okay. So this is, so let me think about this. The simplest form of carbon, hydrocarbon, is methane. It is the simplest form of carbon is methane. So this is CH4. CH4 when react with oxygen, so that gives carbon dioxide and water plus heat, heat plus light. This is this. So let me balance it. This is not balanced, so let me balance this one. This is put 2 here now, put 2 here. It is hydrogen, so, and this is put 2 here now, so 2 4, so put 2 here now. 2 here now. Carbon, two to the 4, 6, so put 2 here, carbon, and this is 3, this is 3, this is 3, so 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, and 4 to the 8 it is. So see here, this is the burning of methane. It is methane. Okay, actually you need not to balance this hydrocarbon, okay, combustion. It is okay, just it is this, it is here now. I have balanced it, but you need not to balance this one. It's okay. So this is, so this is the reaction. So methane burns in air, giving carbon dioxide, water, heat, and light. It is. So methane is the simplest form of hydrocarbon, and this is alkane, belongs to first member of the alkane group. Yeah. Saturated hydrocarbons, okay, generally burns with clean flame. Saturated hydrocarbons generally burns with clean flame. Means alkane, all the alkanes, they burns with generally a clean flame. Okay, while the unsaturated, okay, they burns with yellow flame, and lot of black smoke is also given off. So unsaturated hydrocarbon means alkene and alkyne, so they burns with okay, yellow flame, giving rise to a lot of smokes, okay, black smokes, and so, but in case of okay, insufficient supply of oxygen, okay, the hydrocarbon, okay, hydrocarbons, okay, gets incomplete combustions. So even saturated hydrocarbons also give sooty flames. Okay, they do not burn completely. Saturated hydrocarbon, in absence of sufficient oxygen, do not burn completely. That is, the combustion is incomplete. Therefore, they also give sooty flames. It's okay. So this is all about okay, this combustion reactions of hydrocarbon. This is okay. One of the difference between okay, this saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon is that saturated hydrocarbons gives clean flames, insufficient oxygen means when it is the combustion is complete, and in case but this unsaturated hydrocarbons, they gives um, okay, sooty flames when they burn. So this is all about. Okay, thank you.